I wasn't sure ZTH training was worth it. Until I tried it. If you're anything like I was a few months ago, you've probably spent hours watching football training videos on YouTube, trying random drills, and hoping that somehow you'd start improving faster. That was exactly where I was. I was training consistently, but I always felt like something was missing. I wasn't sure if I was practicing the right things, if my sessions had any real structure, or if I was actually getting closer to playing at a higher level. That's when I came across the ZTH Player Accelerator. I'll be honest, I was skeptical. There are so many football programs online that promise huge results, so I didn't want to waste my money on another course that would just give me information I could already find for free. But after thinking about it for a while, I decided to give it a chance. And looking back now, I'm genuinely glad I did. Before I tell you what changed for me, if you decide after watching this video that you want to try it yourself, I've left a discount link in the description below. Now let's talk about what actually happened after I joined. The first thing I noticed wasn't some secret football skill. It was the structure. Before joining, my training looked completely different every week. One day I'd work on shooting, another day I'd do random dribbling drills, and sometimes I'd spend more time watching football videos than actually training. I was working hard, but I wasn't training with a clear purpose. Inside the Player Accelerator, everything follows a logical system. Instead of wondering what to do next, I already had a plan. Every session had a reason. Every drill had a purpose. That alone completely changed the way I approach football. After a few weeks, I stopped feeling like I was just practicing. I finally felt like I was actually developing. Another thing that really surprised me was the amount of knowledge inside the program. The professional player interviews were probably one of my favorite parts. Instead of hearing generic advice like work harder or believe in yourself, these players explain exactly how they trained, how they prepared for trials, what scouts pay attention to, and the small details that most people never think about. Those little details completely changed how I look at the game. I also really enjoyed the weekly coaching sessions. Being able to hear advice directly, ask questions, and learn from other players made everything feel much more personal than simply watching pre-recorded lessons. Then there's the community. This was something I honestly didn't expect to enjoy as much as I did. You're surrounded by players from different countries who all share the same goal, becoming better footballers. People share training clips, help each other improve, talk about trials, and keep each other motivated. It's the kind of environment that pushes you to stay consistent. Of course, no program is perfect. Sometimes the community chats can get a little busy, and some of the interviews are longer than I personally prefer, but those are small things compared to the amount of value I got from the program. The biggest difference wasn't that I suddenly became a completely different player overnight. The biggest difference was that I finally had direction. Instead of guessing what might help me improve, I knew exactly what I needed to work on every single week. That gave me confidence. It made my training more consistent, and it made me enjoy the process a lot more. If you're serious about improving as a football player, especially if you're tired of wasting time on random training videos, I genuinely think this program is worth looking into. If you want to check it out, I've left a discount link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.